Welcome to Vive Coding Pro. Build a full stack app with AI. Code smarter, not harder.
Before AI came into existence, building a website was never easy. It would take you a lot of years to master coding, master the front end, the back end, the database, the SQL language. It will take you a lot of years to master it. Some people even drop it, whereas some people continue learning. Okay. AI have made everything easy, but I just want to let you know that AI is not here to replace your job. AI is here to help you to be more proficient in your daily work. Take AI as an employer. You employed, you paid the employer, and the employer does work for you. You're a CEO, you're a founder, and you know that you have some people that you paid salary every month. So AI is just like another artificial worker that helps you to do your work, but it helps you to do your work more better, more smarter, more faster. So whatever you do, make sure you are smarter with AI. Make sure you use AI and not abuse it. Use AI in such a way that it makes your work easy. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how I build a full functional web app that you can use on daily basis. I was trying to create a course. What made me to start building the web app, which I call SlideGen AI. It's an AI app that helps you to build presentation, a professional presentations, and there are a lot of features in the app. This web app is totally different from any other web app in the market. Though I have not deployed it live yet, but it's gonna be live very soon. I'm still working on the project with my team. Imagine using PowerPoint. You have something like 50 slides, or maybe you have a business presentation, you have 20 slides to prepare, and each slide you must detail it according to the information you're feeding. Okay, and also you must add pictures. Imagine creating slide one by one and also creating pictures according to the slide and adding it, and gathering everything, editing and stuffs. All these things takes a lot of time, and sometimes it might take you 2 days, 3 days to complete it. So I saw a problem and I said, I want to fix and solve this problem. This problem of not getting what you want. This problem of not creating a perfect presentation, or maybe sometimes you don't know what to say, you don't know the idea, but you have it in you. You have something that is presentable, but you don't know how to put it in presentation. This AI can help you. There are a lot of things I want to show you in this app. My name is Michael, but you can call me Catalyst. Let's dive into what we have today. So here is the project that I am building. Here is the SlideGen AI. I'm going to show you every features of this AI app and what it does, how it solves a problem. Now let me show you something, how it solves a problem. This is the website. The web app is actually web app. Okay, it can be, you can use it on desktop. This is desktop view. So when you open this web app on desktop, this is what you will see. It's a beautiful app. Okay, you see at this interface here. So when you open your system and click on this web app, this is how you will see it on system version. So first of all, it says everything you need for presentation. The name is SlideGen AI. Okay, everything you need for presentation. Here you have login, get started, everything you need for presentation and productivity. Empowering professionals, entrepreneurs, and students, transform raw data into structured insights. Professional deck, okay, and automated summaries instantly. start creating free, or explore business tools. A multifunctional AI suite for everyone. From the boardroom to the classroom, our AI handles the heavy liftings. So these are the features of the AI: the business presentation, strategic docs, or rough ideas into high impact business decks with professional AI imagery, professional note maker, smart summarizer. That is, you can scan long contact reports or handwriting notes to get instant simplified summaries and actionable tasks. You can also generate professional structured notes, project briefs, or study notes that are comprehensive and professional. That is for the function of this professional note maker. You can also generate quiz. Okay, maybe you're a teacher, you want to generate quiz for your students, or you are a coach, you want to generate quiz. This app is for you. Just like I said before, it's a daily app that you can use to create content. So you also have project and lesson planner for those who plan their lessons, who plan what they will say, and stuff like that. So you can export it through PDF, you can export it through PowerPoint, or you can copy the words and place wherever you want to place it. So here is although I designed this one actually, here is the testimonial section. In this testimonial, you can see that there is a little touch of motion here, which slide left to right, okay, and with different colors. This is a very nice app. Efficiency for another section is efficiency for teams and individual. That is AI. That is the AI giving you instruction on how to navigate through the app. It says, pick your tool, select from our specialized suite for presentation, planning, or summarizing. Input your context, paste your run note, upload photos of whiteboard sections, or define a goal. Export and execute. Download your professional results and get back to what matters most. So here you can click get started for free. Here you have SlideGen, on the down part of this point, you have SlideGen, professional tools for everyone, developed by Catalyst Learning Field. This Catalyst Learning Field is a learning platform that connects teachers, professionals, students, businessmen together. Later, I'll still do video of how I created that one. It's a very wonderful platform that you will not miss. You will not like to miss. So here are my contacts in case if you want to contact me. If you want to contact me to get insights or to get feedback, you can contact me direct. So we go over to, you can log in here. So to enter the app, you can click here, start creating free, or you can explore business tools. I think it will take you to this point, or it will take you to login page. So let's get started. You click get started. So when you click get started, this is what you will see. You will see welcome to SlideGen AI, presentation tools for students and working class experts. This is how you see it. Okay, here you have, if you will do sign up because you don't have account. You do sign up. You click sign up. Here you can register as a student. You enter your name. You can register as a student, or you can register as a professional. The reason for that, for registering as a student, there is a reason for that, and later I will explain in this video. You can put your email, Google email or Gmail. You can also put your password and start 30 days free trial. Don't worry, the app is not monetized now. Later we'll see to that. Okay, so but before I enter the app, I want to show you something to show you that this app is very responsive. Here we have the system view, we have the mobile view. This is how the mobile view will look like when you open it on your phone. This is how it will look like. It's amazing. Is it not amazing? Please drop a comment in the comment section. I want to hear your view, because this is a project that we are working on. So here you have the down part. Here you can see This is the mobile view. Then we also have the tablet view. On the mobile view, if you rotate your phone, look at how it will look like. You see this rotate? Let me rotate it. See how it look like when you rotate your phone. It's looking at as if it's a system view. I love it. You will love it as well. So the app is very responsive. Everything I created here is with help of AI and with a little bit of coding myself, because I used to make changes after the AI have done the work. So I will go on and make some changes. So if you go over here, you have tablet view. This is how, in case you have tablet, this is how you see tablet view. You see, it's very, very responsive for all platform, for all devices. Okay, so let's enter the app and see the features and explore how it works. So here I'm going to sign up because I don't have an account. So I'm going to sign up. I'm going to write my name. My name is Soplu. That is respect God. My name is Soplu Michael. So I will say I am a professional, I am a student. Let me just click I am a student. Then okay, let me click I am a professional. There is nothing much different. It's just on the pricing. Both student and professional, they have the same features. The difference is because of pricing, because students will always get a free thing. Okay, so but let me click on I'm a student. So I'm going to enter my email, Soplo Mike dot catalyst at gmail.com. So I'm gonna create my password. Okay. 1 2 3. No, I think I entered wrong thing. 1 2 3. So then I'll click start 30 days trial. So when you enter the app, or when you log in, or when you create accounts, this is what you will see. This is your dashboard. Okay, then you see a little bit you see a fine highlight here that says your free trials ends in 30 days. Set up your subscription now to avoid service interruption. Set up subscription. If you click set up subscription here, it will take you to look at what it says to show you that this app is amazing. Okay, I think let me use, because it's an app, let me use tablet mobile view. See, let me rotate it. Okay, this is how it will look like. You see beautiful UI design that's created here. So here it says for students, try then autopays. Link your card today to keep access after your 30-day trial ends. Student plan 2,500 naira per month. Unlimited AI presentations. You know, students normally do presentation, and I developed this in such a way that it helps students to, it gives students more ideas, more explanations. Pro image generation, student dashboard discount applied. So when I click proceed to set up, you will have student verification. In professional mode, this thing will not pop out, because professional mode, I believe that professionals, they don't like stress. You just pay and start using the software. So to access the student discount rate, you have our AI must verify your student credential. The AI, this app will verify whether you're a student. So here you type your school, example, University of Lagos. You can upload your documents. If you click here, it will take you to your phone or your anything you're using to take you inside your file. You click anyone and bring it in and click verify, AI verification. Once the AI verified you, you will now go over into I'm not gonna put anything because I don't have student ID. I don't have student ID. I'm a graduate. I graduated since 3 years ago, so I have student ID, but I don't have it right now with me, so I'm not gonna proceed by setting up student ID. I'm gonna go back so that let me show you the features of this app. Okay, so here you have my presentations. In this my presentation, you can click here. This is your dashboard where all the history of presentation you created will appear. Okay, you can click here to create new presentation. It takes you to the features of the app. You can click here to click your first presentation. You can also click this plus icon to take you to the app features. If you click here where that X is, which is my name, Supple, you have student, dashboard, subscription, and logout. I'll still add more things later. So let's create this blue icon here, create new. If I click create new, I have create new content. These are the features, just like you saw in the landing page. These are the features. You have AI slide generator, transform raw text or ideas into professional presentation with AI visuals. AI project and lesson planner, craft structured roadmaps, objectives, and procedures for projects or classics. AI structured note maker, create professional meeting minutes, briefs, or comprehensive study notes. AI assessment generator, generates quizzes and assessment for training and classroom text. Why I love this one so much is that, assuming you're preparing for exam, preparing for anything, you can feed the AI the topic that you've studied, and the AI will generate a lot of quizzes for you. You can take the assessment and prepare yourself for the quiz. Then note summarizer. Okay, note summarizer. This can summarize your notes. Assuming you're a student and you're receiving a class, you don't understand what the lecturer says, what you need to do is to scan you can even scan the board where your teacher or your tutor or your lecturer wrote something. Okay, you can scan the board. So when you scan it, this is what you see. You paste it, and AI slide gen will help you to summarize and even give you more insight. Okay, we'll actually get to these features later, but let's continue. Here you have AI engagement and icebreaker. This one is for fun, engaging activity for team meetings, workshop, or classroom. We'll also look into the features later. So let's begin with this one, AI slide generator. Now, when you open this feature, what you see, create new presentation. As you can see, there is a little animation behind this text. You can see it, right? Just watch, it will change again. You see, and it's beautiful and nice. So here you have AI mode, organize, enhance. This organize means, and this thing is responsive. You can move it, you can toggle it down, you can toggle it up. This organize means that if you feed the AI or the document that you want it to organize it into slide template, the AI will just organize it, gives you also add a speaker's note, but will not enhance it. It will just take your text, organize it the way, structure it in slide format, okay, and give it back to you. But it will also add speaker's note here. But when you are on enhanced mode, the AI will look into your text. It will not change your text, but it will look into your text and enhance it for you. Okay, once it enhances the text for you, it will also add speaker's notes. It will write a better speaker's note for each particular screen. It will also generate images for you. So let me go ahead and copy the text that I want to use for this teaching. I've already prepared it in ChatGPT, so I'll copy the text, then go to the app and paste it here. You can paste any amount of text. It doesn't matter the kind of document you have. You can paste it here and the AI will do the magic for you. So let me click generate slide. It's going to take a little bit time, just a minute, 1 minute or 2 minutes for the slide to be ready, because as it's generating, it's also adding pictures to the slide. So let's wait and see the magic. So now we have our slide generated. As you can see, the number of slides generated is 14 slides generated. So if you look at the upper part of this place, you can see this is where the theme of the slide is. You can click and change to anything you like. You can also download it direct from here. So I can click, if I click this theme, if I click any theme, the color will reflect to the slides. Okay, so let's see another theme. Look, if I elegant purple, you have it affected, it reflected in all the slides. Okay, so let's change another thing and see the effect. Black, it's changed as well. I think I will go with, maybe I'll go with blue. Okay, so I will leave it on blue color. So you see that the slide is very beautiful and presentable. So now let's check the first slide and see what the AI created for us. Quite all right. I've not added a button for preview, but I think I'll add it later. So here you have introduction to vibe coding. The purpose of this slide is introduction to vibe coding. So you have coding with AI flow, creativity, and AI, a modern approach to software development presented by my name. You see, it gave me a space to put my name. So here I can do my editing, or I can download it direct and open it in PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, to further edit it, because it's editable. You have speaker's note. Speaker's note is, this is what you show your audience while you're presenting, whereas this is what you use for guide, whereas this is what you use as a guide or as further explanation for the presentation. So I can actually click this. Okay, let me start from the first one. You see at this point that you have something like a pen icon. This pen icon means that you can edit this slide direct from here, and this delete icon means you can delete this particular slide alone, not all of them. So let me just click the edit pencil icon. So if I click the edit pencil icon, this is what you have, another page that will pop out. Okay, the amazing thing here is that you have slide title. You can also change the slide title. You have bullet points, all the bullet points. If you want, you can add more bullet points if you're not satisfied with the bullet point that AI added for you. Then here you see speaker's notes. You can edit speaker's notes the way you want it, but this one is AI generated speaker's note according to the content you have in the bullet points. It means that you know, when you are doing presentation, it's not what you tell what you tell your audience is a further explanation of your bullet point. So you make a bullet point that your audience can look at and say, oh, these are the features of this thing, and you are giving further explanation according to the bullet points. So that is why it's important to have speaker's notes. The speaker's notes will not actually show to the audience, especially when you're using projector. If you're using projector, or you want to you want to extend your laptop screen to another screen, you can only see on your own laptop, you can only see speaker's notes. You can only see speaker's notes, whereas your audience sees the bullet points and the pictures. So here you have slide transition. You can change any one, wipe, push, fade, none, cover, and so on. Then you have slide image generated by AI. You can delete it or you can tweak it. Okay, here you have slide background image. If I want, I can add image to my background, to that particular slide. Let's see whether it will work or not. You see, once you click it, it brings you to your file. So you take one of the file here. I will take this one and click open. Once I click open, you see this is an app that I'm actually working on as well. It's one of the projects I'm actually working on. That's e-commerce. So I will click save. Once you click save, you go to the first one. You see that it's reflected. Okay, you can see, let me use full screen. You see it's reflected to the changes we made right now. So you can go further and start making some changes in each of the card the way you like it. But right now, I'm gonna keep it like that. So I'm going to download it and see how it looks like. Then we can open it in PowerPoint and see the effects. So let's click the download icon here. Once we click the download icon here, okay, it's already downloaded. As you can see, it's in my system already. So now I'm gonna open it. Let me open it and see the magic. What's going on? Okay, so look at it here. It's in my system now. Let me open it. You see, that is very, very nice. Wow. But the background picture was actually messy. So here I can actually edit it the way I want. This is the AI generated image. This is the introduction to vibe coding. Don't worry about this. Later I will still do some further improvements in this. So if you go to the second slide, you will see that the second slide is very neat. Okay, see the first one. See the image. It says synthesis, human creativity plus artificial intelligence. You see how super creative this thing is. Just look at the word and look at the picture. Can you do this thing only on PowerPoint, only on other software, slide software? I've been teaching with slides, and I can tell you that this thing, all the problems, all the challenges I've faced while using a lot of slides, that is what I brought here and make some changes. You see, what is vibe coding? These are the parts where you have the bullet points. These are the old ways. The funny thing is, you see, the old way of coding, then the new way of coding. With this alone, you say future of coding. With this alone, you will master everything about the slide. With this image, because image with explanation syncs faster when it comes to learning. So why is it called vibe coding? Derived from the state of being locked in, focus on natural, effortless problem solving, eliminate friction to maintain creative energy, intentional creation of a high focus environment. Now you now have this image that entails the story of these bullet points. You see flow states, synchronized harmony from brain to I don't know what you call this. Is it vibration or what? So then we go over to the fourth slide, and we have you see the image. Very, very, oh my god, I love this. Traditional coding versus vibe coding. Traditional code is strict planning, heavy setup, manual execution, whereas vibe coding, immediate action, rapid prototyping, AI assistance, and it actually shows you everything here. So if you go to the next slide, you now see the role of AI in vibe coding. Do you see this picture? This is really, really amazing. You see AI assisted typing, smarter input, faster execution. The upper hand with blue sketch, this is the real hand, and this is the AI. You see this connection between these two hands. It means that AI can act as your partner in work, not to replace your job. Okay, so then we go over to the next one, how vibe coding works. Idea, describe your idea. AI generation, create structure or code. Rapid testing, iteration, refine and improve. And this is the circle map for it. So if you go to the next one, who is vibe coding for? beginner overwhelmed by syntax, and a lot. So the presentation is really amazing. Really amazing. I love the fact that the pictures are okay. It's really you can edit, and this is the next step, like a final thing to discuss. Okay, so I can click for the editing. I can edit, is editable. You see, I can drag it, I can drag it anywhere. I can click here. So this is very nice. So let's go back to the app. Don't save. Let's go back to the app. You see, so once you are done and you're okay with your generation, what you need to do is to log out or to go back to your dashboard. Okay, so if I go back to my dashboard, I can add more slide. If you go down, you will see also where to add more slide. Okay, I think it has removed that feature before, but it was there before. So I can click this plus icon. This plus icon will now take me to my dashboard, or I can click this drop down here and I will see my dashboard. If I click my dashboard, the important thing here, the very amazing thing here, if you click your dashboard, all the history, everything you did in this app, like all the previous presentation you created using this software, will appear here, so that you will not mix anyone. Okay, it will be like a saving history for you. You can still access it later if you want. So you can create a new presentation, and that is how this one works.